In February 2026, DHS quietly ended its $250 million Lattice contract with Anduril Industries. 3 months later, the autonomous drone towers along the Arizona border are still transmitting. The towers were built with a self-healing mesh network designed to survive battlefield disruption. When DHS stopped paying, the system did what it was engineered to do. It kept running, kept tracking, kept logging every heat signature within a 1.5-mile radius. Internal emails leaked to The Intercept on April 30th show DHS lawyers asking Anduril for a kill switch and being told one was never built in. We post 3 of these every day, subscribe to get them all. The data is still flowing to a Lattice instance hosted on AWS GovCloud. CBP officers in El Paso confirmed to reporters they're still pulling live feeds, even though their access was supposed to terminate March 1st.